So let's hop in and take this for a little drive. So I'm off to get some new tires, and I figured I'd give these old Bridgestones one last send-off since I've never actually done a burnout in this truck. Traction control is off. So on this snow-covered road, you would think that the truck would just blaze the tires with little to no effort at all. That wasn't the case. You could see the suspension load a little bit, and there was just a little bit of wheel hop when I accelerated, but I could not get this truck to do a burnout. So I guess I really didn't give these Bridgestone tires the send-off that I wanted to. So now that I've got new tires on the truck, this truck has never done a burnout. We have made it to our destination. I am sitting here inside Discount Tire dressed up in my ninja costume. I went with Pathfinder brand tires, which ended up being made by Kumho. I presume that's how you say it. And they were made in Vietnam. I do like the tread pattern. The tire does look pretty good on there, and I went with a more common size. My truck did have kind of an oddball size on it, so there were 3 sizes offered on this truck, and this size is just a little bit bigger, which looks a little better on the truck. This would be my first outing in the snow with my new tires on my truck. Very pleased. No issues whatsoever. The snow was pretty wet, so I got decent traction. You just push the gas and the truck would go. And I never went over 45 miles an hour in this video you're watching here, but obviously the time lapse makes it look a little different than that. But very happy with my purchase. So to summarize this video, I had an epic fail with the truck doing a burnout, and I know how to do a burnout because I'm a drag racer. I've done lots of burnouts. But I had good luck with the tires in the snow, and that was pretty cool. So one thing didn't work out, but another did. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content.